In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually start getting targeted traffic to your CPA marketing offers or URL file lockers using the gaming niche. So do stick on and make sure you watch this particular video because this is going to be an amazing strategy you can actually use to go on to making money with CPA marketing. And this strategy can actually be done with CPAGRIP right here, OG ads, or even CPA build. So do go on to registering for one of these particular platforms to go on to actually creating an account. If you do actually head on to CPAGRIP, click on register, you'll be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately, agree to the terms of services, and once you're done with that, click on register now. And if you do click on register now guys, you can then just simply go on to log into your account after your registration process has actually been completed. You can see right now I'm logged into my account. What you want to do is to come right here, click on monetization tool and URL file locker. If you do that, head on to this section which says create new URL file locker. Click on that and you want to just simply go on to agree to the terms of services. Click on continue, and if you do click on continue right now guys, you want to just simply go on to leaving this page open. And as this page has been made open, you want to just simply head on to platforms like YouTube and actually do go on to the explore section, click on gaming. Once you do click on gaming right now guys, you'll be able to see a lot of cool gaming videos which you can actually do go on to utilizing right now. So these are actually the top live games right here. As you can see, the Fortnite is actually among these right now. So if you do select this Fortnite right here, you'll be able to see a lot of videos that are actually live on this particular game right now, and you can actually do go on to utilizing them right now. Supposing I want to just simply use this video, I'm going to right click on the video, copy the link address, actually do head back to my URL file locker right here and paste in that particular link right in here. Once that link has been pasted, you want to just simply go on to giving this URL file locker a name, and I'm just going to name that something related to this particular stuff which we're actually doing right now. So once I do name that right in here, you want to just simply go into the template section and select a template of your choice. I'm going to just be using the reCAPTCHA template right now. I can actually do go onto this particular advanced section. And in this advanced section guys, you want to just simply go on to simply creating a little landing page first right there, and you could actually do go on to getting images right now for this particular game from Google. So if I do go to Google and search for Fortnite images, and right now guys, you can actually do see a lot of images right here on this particular Fortnite game. So I can actually do select one of these image and go on to downloading and saving this image on my device. So if I do save the image on my device, I can actually do go on to using that same image for my landing page and also for my URL file locker. So guys, what you want to do right now is to actually head back to your URL file locker, head on to this CSS section right here, and you want to just simply go on to removing this entire section right now. So if I do come right here and actually do remove this entire section right here, maybe I'm just going to copy this right here and actually paste in that particular URL file link to that particular image right there, and I'm just going to come right here, give it that a space, and actually do go on to typing in something like URL, and I'm going to give that a bracket also. So guys, once this is actually done, you want to just simply come right here, click on refresh preview, and if you do that guys, that particular image should actually be in the background of this section right now. So guys, you can actually do see the image is already on the background, just that the image is not actually arranged appropriately. So once you are done with this, actually do go on to filling out other sections right now or editing other sections for this your URL file locker, and once you're done, just simply go on to clicking on save. If you do click on save, your URL file locker will be created right now. You can then just simply click on get link and just simply copy the link to this URL file locker right here. And next, you want to make sure you do go on to actually creating a simple landing page for this your URL file locker. And you can actually do create a landing page using any landing page builder site out there. You can actually do use this platform called the breezy.io to actually go on to creating a very simple landing page right now. All you actually have to do is to actually go on to logging into your account right here. or you could create an account for absolutely free on this particular platform. So guys, take a look at this simple landing page right here which I created, which is the Fortnite Master All Surviving Secrets. Click here, and for this click here guys, you want to make sure you do link that to your URL file locker by clicking on that chain icon and actually heading back to CPAGRIP. Copy that URL file locker link, head back to your landing page which you were actually creating with a breezy.cloud, and actually do going to paste in that right here. So once that has actually been pasted, you can then just simply go to publishing this page right now. Once the page has been published, you can also go onto the dashboard right now. So if you do head onto your dashboard right now guys, you want to just simply go into giving this particular domain or this particular landing page a simple domain right now. So if I just select this, I'm going to go into selecting the subdomain, and for this subdomain I'm going to give it something related to that particular offer which I'm actually going to be promoting right now. So once that has actually been selected guys, you then want to just simply go into clicking on submit to see if this is acceptable, and this is actually acceptable. You can then just simply click on this particular icon right now and copy this particular link icon to go onto driving traffic to this particular landing page. And if you do go into getting a landing page right now, you want to just simply use this simple platform to go into getting traffic, and the platform right here is called the Stream or the steamcommunity.com. This is actually an amazing platform which you could actually do go on to join in for absolutely free. Once you join this platform, you can actually do go onto communities that actually do go onto discussing a lot, and you could just simply click on discussions, and in such discussion section you actually do find out that a lot of people are actually do going through to watch that particular video right now. So a lot of people are actually interested in that particular game called Fortnite, and you want to just simply use that at your advantage and actually do go on to getting a lot of traffic right now. So for that particular video, you can actually do get a lot of traffic to that video because that particular game is actually having a lot of search volume right now. So use that to your advantage and get offer and actually start promoting your URL file locker on platforms by going onto community about that particular game and actually writing about that particular game right there, and you should start getting a lot of traffic to this particular URL file locker using the steamcommunity.com. You could also use the mods.us right there to actually do go on to getting a lot of traffic to your URL file locker right now. So once you actually do this, I assure you guys that this is actually going to get you a lot of traffic, and I do hope this video has actually been amazing to you. If yes, why not just simply go to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bell is turned on all. Also guys, you can actually do go on to watching the video which you can actually do see on your screen right now to gain more access on making money with CPA marketing.